What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, as you can tell by the title, I sold my kit. Not every single thing, but all the important things. As you can see, no intercooler, no piping, no turbo, no manifold. Why did I do that? I'm simply just upgrading everything. I'm getting a boosted Project Z manifold, which they offer the manifold in a 2.5-inch piping and a V-band. I believe they're the only ones that offer it in 2.5. Everybody else either makes 2-inch or 225. I got the cold side piping from a boosted performance kit, so it's 3-inch from the throttle bodies to the intercooler, and the rest is 2.5. I got a new intercooler from Trestone. It's a TR, I believe it's a TR TT9, so it's much bigger than the one I had, and I don't know, I just trust it more because it's Trestone and it's rated for 1300. I mean, I don't think I'll ever see this car making 1300. I think, I don't know. And what else? Oh, and I think I'm gonna be getting a comp turbo air cooled 67. Reason why, I just want to get rid of all the oil lines I have, and it's gonna be cleaner and just easier to work with. So I think I'm gonna just pull the trigger on one. Anyways, what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna put these headers on. They're from a 2016 370Z. So they say from 2014 and up they flow better and stuff. So I picked these up for 60 bucks. Might as well slap them on. So I'm taking off the old ones right now. And all right, guys, so the headers are back on. One thing you have to do when you do these headers, it's you have to switch two studs around. It's pretty easy. It's the two in the back that you have to switch around. You can't see that good, but yeah, the two studs in the back, you just flip them pretty much, and you could buy the tool for the studs at AutoZone. They sell it there. That's what I bought. So hey guys, the headers are back on. Let me show you guys the new intercooler. So this is the new intercooler, guys. This is the TR TT9 from Trestone. I got a crazy deal on this thing. I mean, my boy Marcos works there, so huge discount. Freaking. And my old one, I don't have the old one here to do a size comparison, but this one is much it's taller and thicker. I believe this is a 3.5, if I'm not mistaken. This is a 3.5 intercooler, so perfect. I just had to have my welder make some brackets so I could bolt this thing up, because I already have the piping coming in tomorrow. I want to get this done so I can have the cold side on, and then pretty much all I'm waiting on is a manifold and a turbo, which is gonna take a little minute. So yeah, guys, just giving you guys a little quick update. I mean, with the new setup, this car is gonna be a beast. You guys will see. Like I said, new manifold, new turbo, and new intercooler and piping. So the car's gonna be a beast. All right, guys, so it's actually like a couple days later. Well, not really, like 2 days later. As you can tell in the old clips, I still had the old wheels on. We have the new wheels here. As you saw in my last video, they look sick. I took off the red sticker. Yeah, I took off the red sticker. I don't know if I'll take off the Nismo one. I mean, maybe. I probably will end up taking it off. But yeah, let me show you more parts that came in from those last clips to now. So yesterday night I got my new cold side piping. This is from Boosted Performance. It's just mocked up. I'm guessing this is how it goes. Yeah, it has to go like that. I mean, I just gotta later tighten this correctly and stuff. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure this goes a little bit more. Something like that. And it doesn't touch anything, right? Well, this is not bolted up. Oh yeah, okay. When I bolt it up, it'll clear perfectly. So yeah, nothing is bolted up. It's all loose. Just wanted to see how it's gonna look. And I just put the bumper on because I don't want my bumper sitting with the dirt and stuff. So that's why it has all the big gaps, because my focus. That's why it has those big gaps right there, because my undershot is not on. So just chill. And I'm ordering my clear reflectors. So pretty much tomorrow my fab guy is gonna come, and I'm guessing he's gonna take measurements for the intercooler, see how exactly he has to make the brackets and stuff. All right, airplane's gone. So yeah guys, like I said, content might slow down a little bit. I mean, I'm still gonna try to do stuff here and there just to get content. Like when the weather comes, I'm gonna put the intercooler on, probably make a little video on that. I don't know, probably be a little bit too short. Probably send out my hood to get fixed and painted, get that going on, and then do my hatch. What else? Maybe just do a little bit of cosmetics, show a little love to the car, redo the tints, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, gonna be a very long, well, it's not gonna be that long of a 2 months, just because this month is short and busy. I go to New York on Christmas week for like 5 days, so then you got New Year's and blah blah blah. I mean, it should go pretty quick. So yeah guys, I mean, new setup is gonna be. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Trying to get some content out for you guys. I don't want to slow down on content because my channel's been doing pretty good when I upload frequently. So yeah guys, that have any like feedback on anything, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video.